What up, tubers? This is Radio Geek. Rare computers since 1996. rwcweb.com. You've been struggling when it comes to creating your affiliate websites? You're not alone. If you're having problems getting your affiliate sites going, stop. Go to rwcweb.com. Put your best email in that box right there. Alright, tubers. Now we're talking about Clickbank, the top of the food chain when it comes to affiliate networks. I think the greatest thing about it is because, there's no approval on signing up for it. They got a lot of great programs, and they always try to help you out. You got to check out their YouTube channel. They got some great stuff going on. By the way, this is my new YouTube channel now. It's only been a couple months. I'm going to ask you to like and subscribe. A lot of work, this YouTube channel. If you go to the marketplace, which I'm already here, Clickbank, don't put anything in here, okay? And all the top dogs come up, okay? Now, these are the highest selling, highest gravity, okay? Now, how do you promote these with your affiliate website? Well, it's easier said than done, but it can be done, okay? Now, what you're going to do first is pick it, make sure you can actually promote it, okay? If it generates that link, you can promote it, okay? Because nowadays, because these higher ticket ones especially, and people breaking a lot of the rules, you always want to read the rules when they do this. Now this particular one, it doesn't have an affiliate section, okay? And this website, it's so protected that you can't even right click on this, you can't even highlight this text or nothing, okay? So they're a little protective of their product. Alright, what I suggest you do is you can email them, see if they answer you back, okay? But if you want to be shy with it, that's okay now. That's okay also, So you add it to the cart to make sure their shopping cart is still working, which is absolutely beautiful. They really did this up. Okay, and then when you use your affiliate link, and you hit that shopping cart, you want to make sure your affiliate ID is down here. Okay. Now, ooh, that's a nice one, huh? Love those pop-ups. Such great upselling feature right there. Okay, so now what I want to show you, a lot of people, what they'll do is they'll see, they'll use the name. Okay, you don't want to use the name of the product. Okay, you want to read through it and get all this information. Now, what I've done is put up a list of keywords, so to speak. Okay, all these words here, this root and acid and berries, things here. Okay, this is what you want to base your blog or your website about. Okay, these things here that are in relation, very close relation, obviously it's in the product, okay, to this niche, okay, to this product, okay, and like you want to re-engineer these questions. Okay, let's see, one-time payment, high quality manufacturing, FDA registered. Wow, that's big. Alright, so this is a good product, okay, because they can't lie about stuff like that. Alright, and you don't want to sell the product, okay, 100% natural, veggie capsule. Wow, that's big. Okay, if you know anything about any kind of, because I've been a bodybuilder my whole life. I've been using supplements for a while, and a lot of the vitamins, it's the capsule that it comes in, what it's made out of. Sometimes it's made out of chemicals to hold the thing inside the capsule that you swallow. Okay, so now this is obviously something geared around diabetes and blood sugar. Okay, I wouldn't go towards the diabetes thing. Right, this is probably just like a overall support for your blood sugar. Okay. And you could be, you could have insulin, be hypoglycemia, things like that. Okay. It's telling you, like right here, groundbreaking diabetes research has found that there is a direct link between uncontrolled blood sugar and airborne toxins called particulate matter. Okay. And this is true stuff. I mean, this is real stuff. Okay. So what I do is I'll take these words, all right, and they're kind of like trigger words. You could do a blog on this. Let's go see what's going on in the world with that. Okay, we'll go to the old Google Trends. See what's going on there. Okay, what I like to do with the Google Trends is go for 5 years, see how long it's been. So it's an up and down thing. It's not in too many places. Alright. Again, just keep doing some research. Bitter melon, let's see, that's unique. Now, what's going to happen is, because you really, these days it takes a long time. It takes a long time, so that's pretty saturated. Okay, that particular word. Okay. But it takes a long time these days to, acquire any traffic, unless you hire an SEO expert to do your website, which will probably, at these days, would probably cost you like $2,000 or $3,000 minimum. Okay. That's a pretty good word right there. Okay, so let's go do some research on that for a second with my Karen who is. Okay, we're going to paste that there. And we're going to turn it into a website. So I wouldn't be surprised if somebody already had this .com. Okay, so you see how that works? So you know you're on the right track when you're finding it like that. Okay. And you could just type that word in and .com. I like to use this Karenware. It's free software. It's old as anything, but it's really cool. Okay, so obviously, that's pretty old. Look at that, since 2000. So that's definitely a seed site right there. I don't even know what that is. What is this? Oh, that's in a different language. Wow, how about that? All right, Google, can you translate that for me a little bit there, buddy? Okay, so this is an actual, all right, that's an actual site that sells it. So now let's do the word. So we're on the right track here. Okay, let's just do the word itself. Okay. And quite a bit comes up. It's all over the market. Alright, so you can start getting your copy for your blog. You do your research on this right here. Okay. And like I like the Content Press. Let's do Content Press. Let's do a search here. You can also even go to like I mean, I don't particularly like Fiverr. There's other places that you can go online and have copywriters write you up, just like you figure if you got a 6-page blog with about 500 to 1,000 words, so you just do like a 6,000 word copy on it. Do your research on it. Okay. Let's check the private label rights sector too, because if you can get information about it on the private label rights. Okay, let's do a search. Doubt if this will have it on this exact word, but you never know. Okay, so this would be a very interesting back end way of doing this product. Okay, search. Not gonna give me nothing. Okay, let's grab another keyword out of this. Okay, so you could take these private label rights and download these. There's a lot of free stuff. Okay, and you can start building your blog. Put all information on there. Okay, but you don't want to put it as a sales page. You want to put it as an information about these berries. Okay, about the root. What you could do is, and you could see, like, okay, that .com wasn't there, but you can do, say, I don't know, anything else with that. Could be, what is or what are. Okay, so that's not a website. Okay, what is it? Juniper? I don't even know how to pronounce that word, for God's sakes. Juniper berries. Okay. See what it says.
Juniper berries.
Juniper. Okay. So once you do your research on it, you're going to get all the information. Okay. You get the .com. You can even try it with a subdomain at first. And then that's how you're going to advertise this product. Okay. And within the blog that you write, you can even write about all of these separately, because they only got little inserts about it and what they are. Okay, so that'll give you your content. And if you want to go to Fiverr or something like that to have somebody write some content on each one of these items here, okay, make yourself like at least a 6-page blog with at least 250 to 500 words per page. Okay, and then you could either make yourself a little banner with one of these advertisements on it like this. Just spice, because they don't give it to you on the Clickbank. You use the snippet tool. You can make a little banner and put it up there. Okay. You could do it that way. You could certainly, I'm sure they'll allow you to use the pictures. Okay, ingredients, order. This is great. This is a really well coded website. Just fantastic coded website, But don't put the price. Don't use their name directly. Okay? And, remember, you're not going to try and sell it. You're just going to put up information about people's blood sugar levels. Diabetes is kind of saturated. You might want to go into it as a back-end natural herb website or something like that. Okay? And it's a lot of work. This stuff ain't easy. I don't care what anybody tells you, all this copy and paste stuff. It's not easy. But it takes a little time. But you have to have faith in it. Okay? Have faith in it. Because once you get it going, you get up a nice website, then you do your Facebook page, then maybe do some $5 Facebook ads, $10 Facebook ads, because the demographics are easy for this, and, because it's pretty high paying. You made, 4 sales a month, 5 sales a month in the beginning. That'll pretty much pay for any kind of advertising or anything that you're doing with it. You make 1 sale, you could get a .com for several years. Okay? So this is Ray from Rayware Computers since 1996. rwcweb.com. I'm going to ask you to like and subscribe and hit that notification because that's what YouTube tells me to tell you guys.